if you are on 2023.44.30.6, FSD 11.4.9, and you're getting the park assist unavailable, FSD unavailable, and the black camera, this is how you fix it. Go to your settings, software, hold down, type in service, driver assist, cameras, reset DAS. There you go, it's fixed.